Hi, my name is Miles. I'm going to 11th grade at Miles Upper School. My second milestone was to place all the components into the pipe robot, including the Arduino, the shield, the motor shield, and the two DC motors. In my first attempt, I got the wheels to be attached to the motors, and I had to screw it in. And for my second, it wasn't working at first, both of the motors, so I tried changing the wires to see if it was a connection issue, but it wasn't. Then I used a multimeter, which measures how many volts are going in and out of the motor shield, and I saw that it was supplying enough voltage to the motors, and that it should have been working, and it was, but it wasn't powering on. And my third attempt, I thought that it was probably the motor shield that wasn't working, so I switched both motors between each side to see if it was the motor shield's fault, but it still wasn't working. So then I asked one instructor, and he told me that the outlet power supply that I was using wasn't supplying enough voltage to both DC motors, so I got one of these. It's a DC power supply box that supplies enough voltage that made both of my motors move, and it works like this. It's powering both of the DC motors. This was a big challenge for me because I didn't know what the problem was, but then I figured it out after a long period of time, and I still kept my patience. Thank you.